Now here the question is, let E1 and E2 be two ellipses. The area of the ellipse E2 is 1/3 the area of quadrilateral formed by the tangents at the ends of latest rectum of the ellipse E3, which is 5x square plus 9y square equals 45. The eccentricity of E1, E2 and E3, they are all equal. And it also says E1 is inscribed in E2 in such a way that both E1 and E2 touch each other at one end of their common major axis. If the length of major axis of E1 is equal to length of minor axis of E2, then area of ellipse E2 outside the ellipse E1 in square units is. So we'll start with this third ellipse, which is 5x square plus 9y square equals 45. So we can write this equation as x square upon 9 plus y square upon 5, and it is equal to 1. So this is our third ellipse, E3. Now for this ellipse, value of A is 3 and value of B is under root 5. We'll also find its eccentricity. So B square is A square 1 minus E square. So from here we'll get value of E as 2 by 3. So for all the three ellipses, value of E will be 2 by 3. Now it says at the endpoints of latest rectum, if we draw a quadrilateral, we need to find area of that quadrilateral. So what we'll do is we'll write coordinate of one of the endpoint of latest rectum. So coordinate of one point, say P, it is AE comma B square upon A. So which in this case will be 2 comma, and what's B square? B square is 5 and A is 3. Now at this point we'll find equation of tangent. So at this point equation of tangent is given by T equals 0. So we'll get this equation as 2x upon 9 plus 5 by 3 y upon 5, and it is equal to 1. So in intercept form we can write this equation as x upon 9 by 2 y upon 3, and it is 1. If we draw 4 such tangents, we'll form a quadrilateral, and from symmetry we can clearly say that area of this quadrilateral will be 4 times area of this one triangle. So area of quadrilateral is given by 4 times and then area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is half and then these intercepts, which are 9 by 2 and 3. So area of this quadrilateral is 27. Now in the question it says area of this ellipse E2 is 1/3 the area of quadrilateral formed by tangents at the end point of latest rectum of ellipse E3. So area of E2, it will be simply 9 square unit. So let us say equation of E2 is x square upon A square plus y square upon B square equals to 1. So now we have our ellipse E2, whose equation is x square upon A square plus y square upon B square equals to 1. We'll draw this ellipse. This is A comma 0, 0 comma B, and center at origin. So that's our ellipse E2, and we know that area of any ellipse is pi AB. So we can write pi AB, and this value, it is equal to 9 square units. Now it says E1 is inscribed in E2 in such a way that both E1 and E2, they touch each other at one end of their common major axis. So we have another ellipse whose one end is same as that of E2, and length of major axis of E1 is equal to length of minor axis of E2. So that means for this E1, major axis is B and we need to find its minor axis. So we know that B square is A square into 1 minus E square. So it will be B square and then 1 minus E square So b square, and since all the three ellipses have same eccentricity, we can write E as 2 by 3. So it'll be 1 minus 4 by 9. So it has to be 5 by 9. So value of b is under root 5 by 3b. So what is the area of this ellipse E1? So area of ellipse E1, it will be pi and then AB. A is b and b is root 5 by 3b. So it should be pi root 5 by 3 into b square. Now we need to find area of ellipse E2 outside the ellipse E1 square unit. So we need to find this remaining area. So we need to subtract E1 from E2. But before that, we need to write this area of E1 in absolute terms. So we know that pi AB, it is equal to 9. We'll square it. We'll write pi square A square B square, and it'll be 81. Now we can write this as pi square, and A square is B square upon 1 minus E square into B square into 81. So we'll write pi square B to the power 4, and it'll be equal to 81, and 1 minus E square in this case again will be 5 by 9. So it'll be this value 9. So pi b square, it's actually 3 root 5. So once we have the value of pi b square, we can write this area of E1 as root 5 by 3 into pi b square. Now the value of pi b square is 3 root 5. So this value is 3 root 5. So 3 and 3 will cancel. So area of this ellipse E1 is 5. So area of E2 is 9 and area of E1 is 5. So this remaining area will be 9 minus 5, and that is 4 square unit. So area of ellipse outside the ellipse E1 in square unit is 4. That's your answer.